In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow the group owner to remain anonymous on Telegram. This is a really useful setting if you run a public group, want to keep your personal account private, or simply want your messages and admin actions to appear under the group name instead of your own profile. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram and go to the group where you are the owner. From your chat list, click on the group to open it. Once you're inside the chat, look at the top of the window and click the group name or the profile picture. This will open the group profile details where you can manage group settings and admin permissions. Now, find the manage option and click it. Inside the management area, click on administrators. This section shows everyone who has admin access in the group, including you as the owner. Next, locate your own profile in the admin list and click on it. Since you are the owner, you should see your account listed here with full permissions. Once your profile opens, look for the option that says Remain Anonymous. Turn that setting on. This is the key step that lets the group owner post as the group instead of showing their personal name. After enabling it, make sure to save the change. In some cases, Telegram may ask you to confirm again, so click Save one more time if needed. Once this is done, your messages and admin actions will now appear under the group's name, not your personal account. That means members won't see your private identity attached to those posts, which is great for privacy and professional group management. If you ever want to reverse this, just go back to the same administrator settings and turn the anonymity option off. It's that simple. So to recap, open the group, go to the profile details, enter administrators, select your own owner profile, enable remain anonymous, and save the changes. And now you know how to allow a Telegram group owner to remain anonymous. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.